A new work item has just landed on my plate to build a new process for industry changes. Before I make any changes, I need to understand what already exists in my org that relates to the account industry change process. Here's where I use Gearset's Org Intelligence, and I can simply ask it, what happens when an account industry changes? Now, this will scan across my entire org and help me understand how this process takes place. Without this, I'd have to spend a heap of time understanding my org and using a variety of tooling. So now that we have this here, we see that the account industry is triggered, then there's a flow that handles this process. By selecting the flow, I instantly see the relationships clearly detailed, its references and dependencies, and I can take this one step further to get a visual summary that helps me contextualize the flow. Again, perhaps I'm not entirely sure what this flow is doing. I can simply generate a summary to explain the item. This explanation provides me all the context I need before jumping into action to implement the discounting process. To support me implement, I can even go back to Jira, copy the acceptance criteria, and ask how I should safely implement these required changes. So this is where there's immense power of combining deep org awareness with Gearset's expert understanding of Salesforce metadata. I can now go ahead with the confidence to implement these changes, safe in the knowledge that I'm not going to be impacting any process unexpectedly.